Hi guys, welcome to my channel TechBros English. In this video I am going to show you how you can reset your pattern lock in Realme mobiles very easily. Guys, I am doing this method on Realme 3 Pro mobile, but you can use this method to reset and remove your pattern lock passcode in other Realme mobiles also. So guys, here see, I forget its passcode and now I want to reset its passcode. So here you can see this forgot password option is appears when you enter wrong passcode. So now press forgot password and here it appears Gmail ID that you have entered to reset your password. I am going to enter my same Gmail ID here and Realme send one OTP, and with the help of that OTP I can reset this password. So now I am entering this same Gmail ID to get the OTP. So now see, here you have to enter verification code within a minute. Now I am checking my laptop to get this verification code. I received the code to reset our password. You have to enter this reset code within a minute. So guys, it's accepted. Now I have to reset my password. So guys, with the help of this method you can very easily remove password in your Realme mobiles. Guys, if you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.